Hello friends, we are Digital World Computer. Today we will learn about database. Before we start database concept, we should know about some basic things like data, information, knowledge, etc. Data. Data is a raw, unorganized input. When we input something from the input device like keyboard, it is saved in the form of data. Information. Information is an organized and meaningful collection of data. Or we can say that when we process on the data, it formed information. We will learn this concept through a diagram. Here you can see the data and information. When we input any from the input device, that is saved in the form of data, and after the processing it formed information, and this information is saved in the form of file in the database. Next, what is database? Organized collection of data. In database, there is a file system, there is no index and table system. We cannot manage it manually, so we have a database management system. What is database management system? A database management system is using a language, a query language, that is used to manage the database. Here we can see database management system is using a language that is called SQL for query anything from the database. Okay, here we can see this again. Database management system is using SQL language for querying the database. When we insert, update, delete or do anything in the database, we used DBMS, database management system. Database management system is handled either database is in the hard disk or on the network. We have the many types of database management system, DBMS. First is relational DBMS. Next is object oriented DBMS, object relational database management system, hierarchical DBMS, network DBMS. When we have a database, it is formed a file. Let's take an example how a simple database is stored a file. A database. When we want to store an employee information in database management system, here is a database, a simple database. Okay, here is an employee and we want to store it in a file, either any file you have, okay, you stored in that. There is no table, no index in it. When we want to search an employee, like we have 20,000 employees and we want to search the 20,000 employee name. When we search, when we want to search it, it takes it manually. It reads 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. While when we use the RDBMS, how it works? Let's looks. RDBMS is also stored in a file like this, okay, and it is stored in a file, but this file is stored in this format, in a table format, okay. Here we stored the information in a table format, like we stored serial number, employee code, employee name and employee salary. If we want to fetch the information of 20,000, we have to execute a query that is executed by the database management system in the form of SQL statement that select employee code, employee name and employee salary from employee table where employee code is 20,000, and when this SQL statement is executed, the output result shown within a second. That is too much fast than the database. So we can say the RDBMS is the powerful and the advanced tool than the simple database. Here we can see a picture of RDBMS system, how information is stored in RDBMS system. You can see this picture that how information is